Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the DFJK JUU Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer offers a larger capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, which can handle up to 6.6 pounds of laundry. In contrast, the DFJK JUU portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, making it suitable for smaller loads. This difference is crucial for users who frequently do laundry or have larger items to wash. Price is another significant factor. The BLACK+DECKER portable washer is priced at $249, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the DFJK JUU portable washing machine is much more budget-friendly at just $77, making it an attractive option for those looking for a more economical choice. In terms of features, the BLACK+DECKER washer comes equipped with 5 wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, providing versatility for different laundry needs. In contrast, the DFJK JUU offers only 3 wash cycles, which may limit its functionality for users with specific washing requirements. Additionally, the BLACK+DECKER model includes safety features like auto unbalance detection and child lock, which are not specified for the DFJK JUU. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER and the DFJK JUU portable washing machines ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize capacity and features, the BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. However, if you are looking for a lightweight, budget-friendly option for smaller loads, the DFJK JUU is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.